you're spending time at a cottage, you don't want to be stuck in the kitchen. Registered dietitian Andrea D'Ambrosio joins us now with easy-to-make meals in 15 minutes. Thanks so much for joining us.
Hi. It's a pleasure to be here, Annette, and I'm so excited about cottage season because we love being outside, but we also really enjoy those delicious meals. And as a dietitian, I love emphasizing using nutritious ingredients, less time in the kitchen, more time outside in cottage life.
Okay, so what's our first meal?
Yeah, so everyone loves breakfast at the cottage. I know it is a big deal in our family. So I am showcasing these elegant pepper eggs, and they are a way of jazzing up the regular fried egg. And you can see here that we are using Ontario eggs. They are a nutritious source of protein. We get 14 essential nutrients, and we are doing a little saute of that pepper, Annette. We're adding the egg. We're cooking it for 2 minutes on one side. This is about enough for a sunny side egg. If you want to do a over easy egg, give it a flip and another couple minutes. I add a little cheese on top and I like to soften it. And then you garnish it up and you can put it on top of your toast. You could do avocado toast. You could add spinach. Really let your imagination be your guide for how to dress it up. But it is a crowd pleaser. And I also love that it reminds us to not skip the yolk because we receive half the protein in the yolk and most of the nutrition, like those essential nutrients like choline and lutein.
And you're getting your vitamins from your vegetables.
Exactly, veggie boosting.
Okay, what's our next meal?
Okay, so a lot of my clients are into lighter fare for lunch. So we have a citrus summer salad using wonderful pistachio. And what I love about our pistachio here is it's actually a complete source of protein, which means it contains 9 essential amino acids. So to make this salad, basically I'm adding our pistachios on top. A half a cup serving is 11 grams of protein and 5 grams of fiber. This is why I love working with them. And we are also adding some grapefruit. So summer citrus, vitamin C boosting. It tastes so good outside. It's super fresh. We also have some blackberries too. And convenience is key with making salads at the cottage, and especially with these 15-minute meals. So using something like a lightly salted pistachio that's already shelled is just a quick way of adding it on top of your salad and having that protein boost as well.
It's nice to see that accidents happen in a dietitian's kitchen as well. Good catch there, good catch. What would you use as a dressing for that? Just balsamic reduction?
So what I'm doing, I wanted to make it so simple. So we're drizzling olive oil. Okay. And then I also have a balsamic glaze, which is readily available at the grocery store. It's a thicker balsamic and it gives you a little extra sweet. And it is simple to do. And you also get that pretty appearance. And then a little sprinkle of our Parmesan cheese for some savory to counter the acidic in the citrus.
Oh, that looks excellent. And like you say, that's a whole meal there in itself with the protein from the pistachios. Okay, next we have flatbreads on the barbecue. Like this idea.
Yes, so we want to get family favorites and get everyone involved when at the cottage. So what I love about these barbecue flatbreads is that you can make them with whatever vegetables you have on hand. I recommend even keeping things like naan bread, pitas in the freezer so that you have these always available when you need them. And basically you're just tossing it on top of that naan bread, putting it on the barbecue for about 5 to 7 minutes and making that bottom just nicely grilled and the top melty.
And that's a great way too of getting rid of any leftover vegetables or leftover meat that you've got, leftover cheese. And I would think that those would be awesome for breakfast too.
Oh, that's true. It could be a breakfast pizza and you could crack an egg on top.
Okay, so we're going to get these recipes and the links to your socials then up at chch.com. There, we did 3 15-minute meals in 5 minutes. Way to go.
Awesome.
Thanks.
Thanks.